Hello, my name is Monta and I recently started my journey in the tech world. So I decided to jump for this and go with She Goes Tech Bootcamp. So if you're not familiar with She Goes Tech, have a look at this screen. When I chose Devops, I didn't know what that means. I had no clue. I just like Devops, okay, well, at least I can pronounce it fine. And I went in the course, and they actually said that they had written the description a little bit wrong on the website. But of course, before that, you can check on YouTube what is DevOps, what is Java, what are all these new words that you maybe haven't heard before, and I hadn't heard before, except like I said, Java, because my partner is software engineer. So I went with zero knowledge, zero IT knowledge. I have only figured my website, copied code snippets and pasted them where the website said it, but I had no clue what's in there. It was tough. Honestly, really tough. We had 3 evenings, I think 6 to 9, but very often there were questions or something that wasn't clear, and we were sitting there for way longer. We had recordings for the first bootcamp, so we could go and re-watch what maybe if you didn't understand something. I can tell you straight away, not all lectures are interesting. If you have no clue what you're studying about and then you have history of servers, might not be the most interesting one, but still it gives you the background, and the teachers are very welcoming, and they ask, of course, like if you have questions. As a newbie, you often feel stupid and you feel like, oh, you're probably the only one who doesn't know. In the first camp, I was feeling more like that, but in the second one, honestly, I asked more and I was just like, I don't understand, because the second one was just 2 weeks boot camp and it was intensive. And if I didn't understand at the moment, I was doomed. I'll talk a little bit about the second bootcamp as well, and how I used ChatGPT for most of it, because that was my only like, how can I manage this and do all the things in 2 weeks. But don't be afraid that you will feel stupid. It's all new to you. You won't understand anything. That's normal. Most of the people there are that way. Yes, ask questions, but sometimes you don't even know what to ask because you don't understand how to ask and what you don't know. Someone's like, what you don't know? Like, what's your question? It's like, I don't know. So what do you don't know? I don't know what I don't know. There are so many things I don't. These two options, I would say yes, if you want to like dip your toes into. We had interviews. They talked about how we can build our career in Accenture, and some of the best ones were taken for internships. So there is a part that for the internship, no, it's not like they take everyone. My knowledge was like super basic, so I didn't get into internship, but I got the offer on the second bootcamp, which I just finished last week. And honestly, on the last day, I was like, I'm celebrating this. So if you want to know more about the second bootcamp, which was super, super intensive, that was 2 weeks from 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock officially, but it went like, well, one evening I was sitting till 11, and I was using a lot of ChatGPT for that because I couldn't understand, I think, 80% of the stuff, but I finished the bootcamp. So if you want to know more about that, watch my next video. Thank you for watching this, and see you in the